Millions of Cardano or ADA will be stolen by artificial intelligence by this time next year. This is by Charles Hoskinson. So basically what he's busy saying here is that AI has become so powerful, and you can go and check this video in this article, that AI has become so powerful that basically people can create a version of yourself or myself, your voice, what you look like, and it will literally be you, not you, but you. And this is going to be the matrix versus the reality that we're facing. And people will get scammed because of this. And what he's saying is that millions will come out of Cardano because of this, will be scammed out of Cardano and other cryptocurrencies too. Let's go and see in the video. Make sure to stay right to the very end of the video where I show you the beautiful chart and the value of Cardano in the future that I believe it could hit. And let's go and see what your thoughts are in this video. Thanks for being here, you blessed and wonderful souls. See you in there. How's it going? What's up? What's happening there, blessed, beautiful souls? Welcome to the Crypto Bliss Show, and thank you for being here with me on the channel again. I do appreciate it. I'm Kiara DeCass, and I am going to be guiding you on this beautiful and awesome and incredible video today. Thank you for being here with me, my special community. I really appreciate every single one of you. And from South Africa, how's it going to you, the rest of the world out there? Really, I would love to know how's it going for real down in the comments below, please. I'd love to see how you're doing. Okay, thanks for being here, you wonderful souls. Really appreciate every single last one of you. Smashing the subscription bell there. It really is very, very helpful to the channel to grow and exceed expectations every day. So thank you very much to every single one of you, blessed, beautiful souls. Guys, today I am going to be speaking about none other than Cardano. Cardano is ranked number 8. That's this beautiful logo, its name, its ticker. It's currently 32.5 cents. It's down 7.5% for the day, 8% against BTC. It's on 716,000 people's watch lists. It's currently sitting at $11.4 billion market cap, $355 million in trading volume, $14.6 billion in fully diluted valuation. There are only 45 billion of these coins, and 35 billion of them are already in circulation. So that's pretty amazing. You can see Cardano over the past 24 hours had a really massive drop out the tree. We are down from the all-time high at $3.09, and that's 90% down from the all-time high. We are currently up 1,591% from its all-time low to 0.019 cents. Now, market cap dominance, just call it 1%, okay? So let's go and see. 1% of 200 trillion times 1% gives us a $2 trillion market cap. So if Cardano ever had to reach that point, divide that by the 45 billion, that will give you a $44.4 Cardano. Let me know if you think that that is achievable and possible down in the comments below. I would love to hear your thoughts there. Now divide that by the current price, 0.325. That'll give us a 136.75x on your gains when you invest into Cardano today and sell at that $44 level. Do you guys think it can hit it? Let me know down in the comments below. I would love to know. And if you want to trade this with me, make sure that you hit in my video down in the description below. There is a Bybit link just for you where you can get up to $30,000 deposit bonus to trade with me. I will let you know about Cardano when I am going to trade it. I do love trading it. You guys know about Cardano, making the world better for all. Cardano is an incredible blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, and visionaries with the tools and technologies required to create possibility for the many as well as the few and bring about positive global change. Like I could hear Charles Hoskinson reading that out or creating that. That's amazing. So guys, I've read this to you a few times already. Come over to their website and do the homework for yourself and see what it's all about. But here's the Cardano Foundation. Here is the IOHK, and here is Emergo, which are part of the Cardano ecosystem. And basically here, if you want to come and follow them on social media, check them out over here. Very easy to follow. And yeah, go and check out what they have there to serve you as well. So plenty space for developers to develop a Marlowe Playground, Stateful Operation, Developer Updates, Testnet Research, Developer Portal, Cardano Documents. Individuals can come on and they can stake or delegate Cardano Explorer, Discover Cardano, use the wallet, and there are more wallets. The enterprise is amazing. Discover Cardano, people research, etc. So what the purpose is, and then Cardano roadmap. If you want to come look at Cardano roadmap, go there and have a look at Cardano roadmap, guys. Very incredible. Let us go and squeeze and see what Cardano Blockchain Explorer is telling us today. So market cap 11.4 billion. Total ADA that has already been staked 25 billion out of the total maximum supply of 48 billion. Oh wow. Oh wow. That's pretty much more than 50% of the total Cardano that is out there has already been staked. These are the rewards, 10.5 million in epoch. Okay. Total stakeholders are 3,183 that give all of that. Total transactions have been 68,530,000, which is pretty amazing. Current epoch ends in a few days, which means you'll get paid out, which is pretty good. Now, here are all the blocks, okay? So every time somebody does a transaction, these are the blocks that are basically formed. 8,874,000 total blocks recently, which is very interesting. And then top 100 addresses. Now, the top 100 addresses, check this out. The top address holds 2 billion Cardano. The next best address holds 806 million Cardano, which is amazing. Then 452, 269, 123, 121. So guys, until this point here, I don't see any actual company that or exchange that owns this Cardano. So this is telling me that this is very, very likely the founders, Charles Hoskinson and the others, the team, the dev team that get part of that $2 billion that 2 billion worth of Cardano. So now let's go and see 200, 2,000, 20,000, 200,000, 2 million, 20 million, 200 million, 2 billion. So 2 billion worth of Cardano is basically worth $6.483 billion, right? That's how much that particular wallet owns out of that entire market cap. That's very, very interesting, right? So guys, Cardano, some Cardano news. Millions in Cardano will be stolen by artificial intelligence by this time next year, by Charles Hoskinson. So this time next year, because of generative AI, millions of dollars worth of ADA is going to be stolen. No matter how many times I warn you, how many times I talk about this, how many times I shout from the rooftop again and again, you don't get something for nothing. You don't get something for nothing. You don't get something for nothing. It's a scam. It's always a scam, okay? So he did this video here, and I'm going to play this video for you quickly. Give me a second.
Unfortunately, there is something on the horizon which is going to create substantial problems for many, many, many people. So let me share my screen real quick. Wow! So this is a video from NVIDIA. It's a supercut of a keynote in Taiwan that the CEO of NVIDIA did, talking about all the cool, interesting things that NVIDIA is working on. So, for example, they're doing some cool stuff with real-time ray tracing. And then he says, hey, look, I can just use some text and I can generate basically a photorealistic video game and actually have Jin's voice. And, oh, now we're going to talk about like generating this woman right here. She's completely fake, but we can actually make it seem like she's alive and well. And, oh, look, we can do 3D video of a person. Wow, isn't the future great? Well, the problem is that this technology is growing exponentially. And I am going to include a link for you guys here. There you go. So that's a link to it. I'll also include the link in the show notes. But this technology is growing exponentially. And as a result of it growing exponentially, what will occur within a 12-month to 24-month horizon, so likely next year, will be that videos of me can be manufactured using generative AI audio of me can be manufactured using generative AI to make it appear that I'm calling you, talking to you, or soliciting your money. So the problem is that thousands of people are going to fall for that. No matter how many of these videos I make and warn you about it, no matter how many times I say it's a scam, it always will be a scam. You don't get something for nothing. You don't get something for nothing. People are going to fall for it. It's called confidence scam. And as a result, millions of dollars worth of ADA and other cryptocurrencies will be stolen. This is the world we're heading towards because of generative AI. It's one of the dark sides and unintended consequences, but scammers are already doing this. The email that I saw looks like it was written by ChatGPT based upon a sample. And it
So how absolutely epic is that, guys? Have you ever been scammed before? Let me know down in the comments if you have ever been scammed before. I'd actually like to know. I have personally been scammed 3 times in crypto, and not a chance will I get scammed again. Touch wood, but I know what to look out for and how to look out for it. And he's right in saying this. Like, you want to be very vigilant, and you need to be able to distinguish what is real and not real. So in other words, what is part of the matrix and what is part of reality, okay? Because essentially, we don't want to get caught up in the bullshit of what AI is bringing us from that perspective. We want to use AI to benefit and to make money with and to transform the world, but not in a way that it mimics and copies people so much to the point where somebody else would actually believe that it is that person. So very crazy story right there. Let's go and have a quick squiz at the ADA USDT chart, guys, on Binance, and then we will call the video a wonderful night. So Cardano has officially broken back below its 200 EMA right now. We're closing 2 candles below it. The RSI is coming to an oversold, but it can still come down a little bit more. So for me, a very safe point for Cardano in terms of finding a support level would honestly just be down at this level right here. So let us just make sure that we're getting this right for you. Okay, so that would be my level. So back to the 30 cents level. Okay, at this point, then I do believe we will find a very strong bounce. Okay, and we could end up looking to break this pattern out here. We have to break it by the end of July for Cardano, whether it's down and we come down to this 24 cents level again, or whether it's bounce off here. And then, so if we do bounce off here, that would be very good for Cardano, because essentially then we would have created 1, 2, 3, and a 4th bounce, which without a doubt could then push the price really back up. So would have found support 4 times in that zone. Now, guys, on the weekly time frame, you guys can see where Cardano is right now. The current weekly is having a very strong sell, okay? And we haven't actually had a sell candle, a sell on the UT bot for a very long time. The last time we got that sell on the UT bot was pretty much here, and look at the crazy collapse that we had over here. Now, honestly, do I see Cardano coming down even further? I don't, but it doesn't mean it can't. That would be my absolute minimum that it could come down to, and that would be a 10-cent level on Cardano, 9 to 10 cent level on Cardano. Okay, at this level, then I'm saying to you guys, I hope you scoop up whatever you can, because if I'm showing you a $44 price and you're getting it at 10 cents, you're buying this thing cheap as chips. Okay, so let's just take a price from here to the top, 843%. From the bottom up there gives us 3,591%. Now to the $44 level, let us go and have a look. Do you guys think it can hit $44? Let me know down in the comments below. $44, boom, right there. That is a nearly 9,800% gain on Cardano. Do you think you could get that on Cardano in the future when it hits that $2 trillion market cap? I think it's very possible. But for now, guys, we're having a sell signal on Cardano. It hasn't given us a head and shoulders pattern, but it has started to form the shoulder, the head. If this does kind of pop here again, pop here and create another low, then that's going to be a head and shoulders pattern. Then we would have to take the trend line and basically draw the neck break line and look at the target that it would hit, right? Look at that target, almost down there. So between 12 and 9 cents is what it could hit then. So guys, let me know what you think Cardano could do. Do you think it's going to go down first, or do you think it's going to go up first? Because right now there's a lot of resistance in Cardano. I love Cardano. I am invested in Cardano, and I hope you are too. No financial advice, of course. Let me know if you are in the comments down below. Like, subscribe, and share my content. And I really appreciate you all. And we'll see you on the next one. Beautiful.